Hey guys, good morning. I am back with another vlog. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I'm going to Boston today and some other things. I don't know. We're just gonna see where this goes.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
I'm on my way to pick up Danny right now. That's kind of all I have to say. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Hello, I'm back. Got Danny boy. Yes. It's still a long way to Boston. That's like, oh, yeah. Oh, you're right. Well, actually, you're
in half a mile, make a U-turn at Elm Street.
He has been in Ireland for a week.
I have been. I'm back in America.
I'm in every video.
You are? Oh my god, you are. Okay, because
you can see.
Know why? I have other friends that cry.
No, you don't.
I really don't. I actually really don't. But okay, there's certain people, you make me like comfortable to put them on.
We're in a super tight space and he had me repark like 5 times to get it literally perfect, and I was so bad at it because I hate parking when people are like, that was scary. He was mad at me because I couldn't park. Was good, and he was like, no, come forward. And then he was like, go back, come this way. 3 geese walked past us and she beeped at them.
Thought it would make
trying to make them go.
I'm gonna show you what I got at Brandy. This little pink shirt, striped dress, and it's like tight and then yeah, cute. And Danny got that necklace. That's all.
Hi. I just woke up from the fattest nap. If I didn't say already, I was in Ireland all last week, and it's a 5-hour time difference. So right now it's 7:26, and in Ireland that would be 12:26. So I would be a tired girl. I still am, and I'm still not used to the time difference. And last night I tried to go to bed later so that I could wake up later so that I wouldn't be like this, but it didn't really work, and I woke up super early. But what are you gonna do? Maybe this is a good thing. I'll be going to bed earlier, waking up earlier, getting more things done in the day. I don't know, but I am so tired. We'll see what's gonna happen. Jet lag is no joke. Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to the Cape. I'm just getting my stuff together to leave. I need to put you down. We have to go pick up Danny again. And yeah, let's go. I'm not wearing any pants.
Hello.
Okay.
Where's the puppy?
But I just woke up. I'm like fucking dead. Oh.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Can you just take him out to pee?
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright, just grab him and bring him up. Hi, baby. Come on, little dude. Wanna know what I think?
What?
Probably. Why are we really like, I'm looking at this right now, I'm like, oh my god.
Miss Dan boy?
Hey, little man. Hey, little man.
Wow.
Little man, I'm going inside.
Little man.
He can't. No, not yet. Come on, let's go. Photo shoot with me and the pup now.
Yeah, okay.
You sit? Say hi to everybody.
Aw.
Imagine just waking up to this cuteness.
Oh my god. Oh! I couldn't.
No bites. I'm gonna train you.
Ow! Ow! Zach! Stop!
You're gonna get us in trouble.
Ow! You have to pretend to cry so that he'll stop biting you.
Olivia has a story time.
Okay, good. While she's doing her makeup.
This is a lot. Hey, Danny.
Hi. Just pretend you're talking to me.
So the other day, me and 3 of my friends went to the concert. It's like Wiz Khalifa, Ray Strummerd, and Lil Skies. So we go, and we want to do something around. So we all have a friend. So like, great things, and then we're all going to go have a bunch of tours and stuff, and there's stuff to do. So we get all my friends, and just and like, it's taking $100. So we go, and so all the people that and so he is very like, sort of like, hard, but he first. So and so we're down, and it's like hard, and he's like, so we start eating and freaking out, like, what are we gonna do? He's driving like playing like this creepiest music ever. I don't know what's going on back there, but
Oh my god, it can just it can literally just got burgers. Yeah, bagel.
we just got bagels because we're all
And a coffee. Ew.
What?
So our plan was we were gonna go to the Cape, but we were too late and there's always traffic going down there, so now we're just going to a beach like an hour away instead of like 3 hours away. 2.
Something like
that. Yeah. And that's the plan.
Oh wait, can I just say something?
Yeah.
I want to give a shout out to Fee for introducing me to cream cheese. Because before I didn't ever eat cream cheese and I would eat a plain bagel, not even cut, not toasted, just a plain bagel. But now I get a little cream cheese on the side.
Hello, we made it to the beach. We had a super long, hard walk, like straight up hills, but we made it. Okay, bye. Say hi. Alright, let's go on a little adventure. So, this is Fee's phone, and I just want to tell her that, Fee, I love you, and I hope you never stop vlogging because I think it's cool that you do something no one else does. That's an egg. Okay, now I feel kind of lonely. But yeah, please don't stop, even if people say things like, honestly, who cares? More people probably think you're dope instead. Oh god, that lady's confused that I'm talking to myself. I don't like this.
Hi guys, I'm back home for the night, and I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. When we got back to Liv's, we didn't really do much. We were pretty tired, and we're just hanging out, so I didn't really film. But that's kind of all we did today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.